Hello everyone, my name is Afreen Asma. So today we are going to start unit third, that is economic planning in India and Niti Aayog. So what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss the complete 12 5-year plans in India, from the first 5-year plan till 12th 5-year plan. And then we know that after 12th 5-year plan, Planning Commission has been revamped and Niti Aayog has been established. So we are going to discuss all the thing in this revision video, right? So let's start discussing the very first thing, economic planning. So planning is what? First of all, what is planning? Planning is actually a skill that is developed to reach a certain goal. If we have set up a certain goal, for reaching that certain goal, for achieving that certain goal, economic planning is needed, right? So there are some broader objectives of planning in India. Like for example, it help in the economic growth, it help in the poverty elevation, it help in the employment generation, it help in the social justice, it help in the self-reliant economy, it help in the modernization, right? So these are the certain objectives of the planning. These are the certain goal of the planning, right? Now, next, when we are talking about the types of planning, we have two different type of planning: regional and national planning. Regional planning has been started from USA, United States, and USA was the first country which has started the regional planning concept in 1960. 16, right? So regional planning is identified a particular geographical area. So we are doing the targets, we are taking the target especially for that geographical area. We are not taking the complete economy as a whole. We are not taking the complete thing as a whole, right? So the regional planning is actually doing what? It was the first thing which has been started in USA, where the development has been done in the geographical area wise, whereas national planning, it has been started with USSR. USSR now, earlier it was known as Soviet Union. Soviet Union was the first nation to actually do what? To actually implement the national planning. National planning means we are not dividing nation into the geographical area. We are taking everything as one whole. We are setting some goals which is for the complete economy. Okay, that is national planning. So India has adopted this national planning concept. Which concept has been adopted in India? So, India has actually adopted this national planning concept. Clear? Now, next thing is Planning Commission. Now, Planning Commission has been established in 1950, and the head of the Planning Commission is the Prime Minister. Prime Minister is considered as the chairman of the Planning Commission. Planning Commission are responsible for approving the plans which has been implemented by the National Development Council. Again, National Development Council is one of the authority which is responsible for the implementation of the 5-year plans, and National Development Council is also chaired by the Prime Minister. And in 2015, the government of India has actually revamped the complete Planning Commission and National Development Council and merged it into Niti Aayog, which is called as National Institution for Transforming India. Clear? Now, we have to discuss very important thing, all the 5-year plans, right? Now, all the 5-year plans, I have just given to you the complete 5-year plan concepts. You have to learn three important things. First, you have to memorize the date. Second, you have to memorize the target. And third, any important event if happened in between, you have to memorize this, right? Don't learn any number, because number is not important, right? So the first 5-year plan, time period 1951 to 56, target agriculture sector. It was also known as Herod-Domer model. The plan, it was aimed to achieve 2.1% growth rate, and the actual achievement was 3.6%. So it was a very successful plan. Okay, we have achieved more than the target. Next, second 5-year plan, 56 to 61. Target was industrial sector. Now, under the second 5-year plan, three industries have been set up in Bhilai, Durgapur, and Rourkela. It was also known as Mahalobnis model, and this plan was also a successful plan, right? Next is the third 5-year plan, 1961 to 66. Target is both agriculture plus industrial sector. This plan was not a successful plan because of the two wars, India-China war 1961 to 62 and India-Pakistan war 1960. After this 5-year plan, we have taken a 3-year break, which is also known as planning holiday. And planning holiday, it was from 1966 to 1969. 3-year planning holiday has been taken between third to fourth 5-year plan. And in this planning holiday, we have been introduced with the Green Revolution. Green Revolution is introduced in the agriculture sector, and in Green Revolution, the HYV seeds have been introduced to boost the production in the agriculture sector. So this 3-year this 3-year planning holiday from 1966 to 69 has been introduced, right? Now, the fourth 5-year plan, it is from 1969 to 74. Target is growth with stability. It is also known as Gadkil Yojana. Now, in this, we have again faced our Indo-Pakistan war in 1971. Then we have fifth 5-year plan. Now, fifth 5-year plan is from 1974 to 79. Target was to reduce the poverty. Okay. Now, this was actually happened in the fourth 5-year plan. Nationalization of 14 banks. Nationalization of 14 banks has been done in the fourth 5-year plan. Whereas in fifth 5-year plan, there was an emergency which has been declared by the President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Right? An emergency was declared for a period of 21 months. So it was fifth 5-year plan. Now, after the fifth 5-year plan, we have again taken planning holiday from 1979 to 1980. Right? Now, in this 1-year planning holiday, we have just adjusted the complete political breakdown. Whatever political disturbance happened during the fifth 5-year plan, we have taken 1-year break to recover from that. Right? Now, sixth 5-year plan is from 1980 to 85. The target was Garibi Hatao. Seventh 5-year plan is from 1985 to 1990. Okay. Now, here the target was to boost what? Boost economic productivity, increase food grain, and creating job through social justice. Very important thing, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana has been introduced in 7th 5-year plan from 1985 to 1990. Okay. Then again, we have taken 2-year planning holiday from 1990 to 1992. Meanwhile, in 1991, in this planning holiday, we have been introduced with LPG policy, liberalization, privatization, and the globalization policy. So we have taken total 6-year planning holiday. The first planning holiday was from 1966 to 69. Second planning holiday is from 1979 to 80, and the third planning holiday is from 1990 to 1992. So total 6-year planning holiday between the 5-year plan. Then eighth 5-year plan started from 1992 to 1997. Now the target was rapid economic growth, rapid expansion in agriculture, okay, rapid growth in manufacturing sectors, etc. Right? It was eighth 5-year plan, 1992 to 1997. Ninth 5-year plan is from 1997 to 2002. Target was growth with justice and equity. That was ninth 5-year plan. Then 10th 5-year plan, 2002 to 2007. Here, specifically, you have to remember the percentage because in target, the percentage has been given. We have to reduce the poverty by 5% and we have to what? Attain the equality or eliminate the gender inequalities in literacy and wage by at least 50%, right? So in this, you have to learn this percentage because especially percentage is given in the target, right? 11th five-year plan 2007 to 12, right? Target was inclusive and sustainable development. And 12th five-year plan, again, 2012 to 17, target was inclusive and sustainable development, right? Now, inclusive means to include each and everyone in the development of the economy. That is known as inclusive, okay? And sustainable means utilizing the resources in such an efficient manner so that it can be left for present as well as future generation. So inclusive and sustainable development was the target of both 11th and the 12th five-year plan. Clear? Right? So this was the complete five-year plan. You have to learn dates. You have to learn target. And if there is any important event happened, you have to learn that. Only these three things are important in this five-year plan. Okay, everyone? Now, we do that. Meanwhile, the 12th five-year plan, we have been introduced with Niti Aayog. We have been introduced with what? Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. Niti Aayog has been established on 1st January 2015. In Niti Aayog, we have two teams. Team India and the Knowledge and Innovation Hub, right? Again, Niti Aayog has been chaired by the Prime Minister and the Governing Council of Niti Aayog. It includes ex officio members of Niti Aayog, chairperson, full-time members, chief ministers of every state, lieutenant governors of all the union territories, right? And in this governing council of Niti Aayog, the planning, you can say the planning commission and national development council, these have been merged in Niti Aayog. Clear? So this is the complete chapter, right? Just a very quick revision for all of you. This is a revision video, right? The complete five-year plan, the 12th five-year plan, Planning Commission, National Development Council, and Niti Aayog. This is important for you in this chapter, right? So thank you so much everyone for joining this session. I hope that you have all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.